बेहद खुशी हो रही है। ये मुंबई हमारी सिनेमा का शहर है और फिल्म फेस्टिवल यहाँ होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी था और सबकी कोशिशों की वजह से ये इस साल हुई है और हमारी ये कोशिश रहेगी कि अगले साल हमें ये दिक्कतों का सामना ना करना पड़े और ये स्मूथली नेक्स्ट ईयर हो। लेकिन इस साल भी बहुत हम अच्छी तरह से करने वाले हैं। बहुत अच्छी फिल्म्स हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और मैं बहुत फिल्में देखने वाली हूँ। Actually, Mami itself I have come to only in the last few years, but film festivals in general have nurtured my love for cinema since I was a student. In Delhi, where I studied, we had the International Film Festival of India, IFFI, and I remember, kind of slinking in even without a pass, trying to watch films, and the kind of cinema you get to watch, which is not just retrospectives, but a lot of contemporary cinema, really nurtures young filmmaking minds. I mean, it really opened my mind to what people were doing around the world and changed the kind of cinema I wanted to make. I mean, it really made me think that, I can make anything I want, because otherwise in India we are so used to watching only one particular kind of film that, you sort of feel there's no option. So it's really important, and plus we are a city that loves cinema and we never really get to watch this kind of huge variety. It's a real treat, and I think Mumbaikars are going to love it.
Which movies are you looking forward to watch in the festival?
I am looking forward to Boyhood, to 2 Days, 1 Night, to Mommy, to Godard's got a film called Goodbye to Language, which I want to watch, and The Clouds of Sils Maria, Oliver Assayas's film. There are quite a few. I don't know how many I'll be able to watch. I'm trying to plan my day so that I get the evening shows after my son goes to bed. Let's see if I manage.
Today is like a Diwali for Mumbai. So, what are your Diwali plans?
We usually have a Diwali party at home. So, Diwali starts with, sort of cleaning the house and getting my son to light lamps, which he loves doing. Putting up Diwali decorations, taking out, our little Diwali decorations and putting them out. And on the 20th, whenever Diwali is, we usually have a party at home. So, and on other nights we visit other people. Of course, Amir is not in the country actually. Unfortunately, he can't. And he actually made enquiries whether he could send his vote by mail or if he could vote in advance. But there are no such options for civilians, so he can't cast his vote this year. Well, I think in Maharashtra we have multiple issues, and I find that parties generally try to cater to whatever one group or the other group is looking to hear. I think it would be really good if we could vote for people who've actually been doing real work and are looking at, working in many different areas, not just for certain sections. I'm hoping for more inclusive politics, more politics that deals with the problems of every Maharashtrian, not just, people in various pockets and lobbies. Sorry. जी नहीं, वो मिपकॉम अटेंड करने गए हैं जो टीवी प्रोड्यूसर्स की एक अवार्ड्स फंक्शन होता है कान में, तो वो यूरोप में कान में है और वहाँ उनको एक अवार्ड मिल रही है, तो वहाँ गए।
ले पिक्चर में
अच्छा,
बहुत अच्छी थी, लेकिन वही अगर उस पर शाहरुख सलमान आमिर होते हैं तो लोग इसे देखने जाते हैं। क्योंकि आपको लगता है स्टार ड्रिवन फिल्म्स को स्टोरी ड्रिवन फिल्म्स दबा देती है?
मैंने ये फिल्म देखी नहीं है तो कंटेंट मुझे पता नहीं है, पर बात तो ये है कि ये ऑडियंस के ऊपर रहता है। अगर ऑडियंस देखने जाती है तो फिल्में टिकती हैं बॉक्स ऑफिस में, और फिर दोष कभी हम लोग डाल देते हैं कि स्टार नहीं है इसीलिए नहीं चली। कभी कभी फिल्म खुद अच्छी ना हो तो नहीं चल पाती, लेकिन बहुत सी फिल्में ऐसे हैं जो वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से बहुत चल चुकी हैं, और इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है शिप ऑफ थीसियस, जो कि 6 हफ्ते चली विदाउट एनी स्टार्स। तो मुझे नहीं लगता है, मेरी उम्मीद ये है कि हम अच्छी फिल्में देखना चाहेंगे, ना सिर्फ स्टार ड्रिवन फिल्में। तो आई होप दैट्स द केस। Thank you.
दिवाली का दे दीजिए।
Yeah, sure. A very happy Diwali to all viewers everywhere, and I hope and pray that everybody has a happy, prosperous, and not noisy, not smoky Diwali. Thank you.
Thank you.
थोड़ा पीछे.
Yeah, okay.
Something about my sari. Yeah. Something about my sari. What do I say? It's something about my sari. This is a traditional sari. मुझे पता नहीं है किस टाइप की है. मैंने बहुत पहले खरीदी थी तो मुझे याद भी नहीं है. लास्ट मिनट में सोच रही थी क्या पहनूं और ये निकाला. तो अगर मैं ये मतलब क्या है मुझे नहीं पता, पर है ट्रेडिशनल, कोई डिजाइनर की नहीं है बेसिकली. हाँ.
Since Bollywood nowadays is an association with the sports, so how do you think that how important is it to get a glam factor on sports? Like since cricket is there now, it's kabaddi and now.
Well, actually, I think that it's happened that everything now needs a glam factor. I don't see anything that doesn't need a glam factor. We find that, to sell pretty much anything, traditionally we found that we need big faces and big stars. So I don't think sport is any different. It's just that I'm hoping soon that the sports stars will become the stars of the show rather than the, everything else, because they deserve to be the stars of the show. And I'm sure that in every sport, जो अच्छे खिलाड़ी है वो धीरे धीरे जाने जाएंगे और उनके नाम से टीम जाना जाएगा रादर देन किसका टीम है. तो ये तो वक्त के ऊपर है और ज़रूर होगा कि स्पोर्ट्स स्टार्स फुटबॉल से या कबड्डी से इतने बड़े हो जाएंगे कि आप किसका टीम है ये भूल जाएंगे. जी हाँ, हम फिलहाल एक छोटे से ब्रेक पे हैं क्योंकि मुझे लिखने का ज़्यादा वक्त मिलता नहीं है. तो आई होप मैं जल्द ही कुछ लिख पाऊंगी और बनाऊंगी, पर फिलहाल कुछ लिखा नहीं है. स्टोरी होता तो फिर स्टार कास्ट होती, लेकिन स्टोरी ही पूरी नहीं हो पा रही है. थैंक यू. नहीं, हमने आंसर किया.
What's the movie Mumbai Dimensions? Yeah, Dimensions.
How excited are you?
I'm very excited. I was extremely worried that they were having trouble resurrecting the. Oh, sorry. I'm very excited because Mami was having a bit of trouble resurrecting this year, and I'm very glad it has managed to get through. I'm on the Mumbai Dimensions jury. So it's going to be exciting to see all our Indian filmmakers, all their short films, and I wish the festival all the best. Yep.
Which films are you looking
Oh
forward?
God, you! Huh?
Which films are you looking forward from the festival?
All the films.
Glad it's happening, and I should talk it to you. You'll ask her, but I looked.
Yeah, you have to look there.
I'm terribly excited. I'm glad that Mami has happened, and it's not disappointing, and we're all supporting this. This is a festival that I've been going to since college, and I'm glad I'm here again. I hope to watch all movies here.
Being in a jury.
बहुत टाइम लिया है मैंने डेफिनेटली, बट अभी लिख रही हूँ तो होपफुली सून. ये साइफाई और हॉरर तो नहीं होगी, तो ह्यूमन ड्रामा ही कुछ होगा. और ये दिवाली हाँ एक दिन छुट्टी लेके मगर मैं लिखूंगी, ताकि दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. आई हैव टू फिनिश माई स्क्रिप्ट. सो या दिस दिवाली विल बी सम वर्क एंड सम प्ले. Yes, for sure. Oh, one change I want. No corrupt Mumbai. Any particular? No, very much. I wish all the viewers a very, very, very happy Diwali. शमिता में 6th Feb, so ज़्यादा वेट नहीं है, इसीलिए he is not with me because he is editing to finish it in time. So yeah.
क्या आपको लगता है women centric फिल्मिंग A-lister एक्टर के होने से जो फीमेल एक्ट्रेस हैं उनका मतलब दर्जा कम हो जाता है?
नहीं, I didn't understand. What?
As in a women centric film, if there's an A-lister actor, so do you think that the female, like the protagonist, the value of the protagonist decreases?
If it's a A-lister?
Yeah, if the male actor is an A-lister actor.
No, definitely not. I think acting is not about being the main or lead or anything. I think it's about the role. And I think whatever role you're doing, it doesn't mean that if you're doing just because the duration is less, your role means any less. I think anyone should do. I mean, you see international cinema, they do all kinds of films. Great. Star-driven film?
Story-driven films पर भारी पड़ जाती है, आपका क्या मानना है?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है even in the star-driven, if there's a story, whatever, even if it's commercial, it's dhamaka, pure entertainment, it's still the story. If the story is bakwas, it doesn't matter. We've all seen it. So, thank you.